3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic crescendo fade, a sound that gradually increases in volume and then fades out, creating a dramatic buildup and smooth transition. Cinematic thunder rolls, low rolling thunder sounds that add drama and tension. Cinematic thunderous hits, hits combined with thunder-like elements, perfect for stormy scenes and epic battles, adding a powerful touch. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.